Okay, so Smith machine reverse lunge, really similar to some of the split squat coaching cues you've already seen. Just going to get yourself underneath the bar. What we're going to do is we're going to work one leg at a time. Now for this though, as you can see, her feet are going to be quite close together, and you'll see the reason why as she steps back. So she'll step back with her left foot. Now from that position, you can instantly see this is very similar to that Smith split squat, right? So what we're trying to do is focus on targeting this isolated glute here. So she's going to initiate with that, drive upward. Now as she drives upward, as you can see, she's moved that leg forward. What we're trying to do is she's trying to push everything through this right heel. So she steps back again with the left foot, focus on bracing through the abs, isolating this glute. As she steps back up, driving with that right heel. Step back for me again. If she was to focus on putting her tension through this toe here, we're going to get a lot of quad going on, which we're not trying to target. Step back up. So there you have Smith machine reverse lunge.